My name is Therese.
My name is Kailani.
My name's Matthew Bell.
My name is Amelia Fong.
My name is Kritika Yarapothu.
My name is Chris.
It's benefited me and my goals a lot in that I think my coworkers and CEO and co-founder Julian has put a lot of they invest a lot of time in what we like as coworkers and employees. So for example, I love to compose and I want to get better as a teacher, and I just want to stay creative. I always want to stay on my toes in creativity, and I think Oclef has been a great tool to do that, because not only am I just teaching, but I also get to be creative in that I get to write music for my students.
I'm a student at UCLA, so I'm currently trying to pursue a minor in musicology. So Oclef has definitely helped, I think, on an academic level, because it's allowed me to understand music not only from like the generic music point of view, so learning about Beethoven, learning about music history, things like that. It's given me the approach from the music industry as well.
Oclef has really given me the chance to explore a lot of different aspects of my teaching and my creative work, including like writing music, creating curriculum and materials for the different classes I teach.
Having to write, like, say, I don't know, several minutes of music or write several hundred arrangements, it really refined my skills, and it really made me a lot faster. And even when I because I'm still a student right now, when I go into like other classes, I sometimes find that my grasp of the fundamental things of for some of the classes I go into is a lot stronger, because I've had the opportunity to just really practice those skills through working at Oclef.
Something that I was also really interested in was like marketing, and I think working at Oclef has allowed me to kind of expand into those roles too. So I really wasn't just like limited to what I was doing.
I also have joined their kind of like their sound team. So Oclef is another company that we are currently working on right now, where we create music for different animations, and that has been the coolest experience, being able to compose music using DAW such as Logic Pro X, and that's essentially what I want to do, and so it's been nice.
Personally, beyond teaching, music at like Oclef has taught me so much more than just teaching. I think I've been exposed to like making videos, making audio engineering things, and it's more than just what I expected originally from the school.
Before Oclef, I thought I was doomed to teach from my own piano studio, earning very little and stuck with the same students, meeting them once a week for an hour. Like that was not my goal. I did not want to be stuck in the pedagogical realm of music for the rest of my days. I'm a recent graduate with a degree in music, so I didn't really think I had any other option aside from that. And I've always wanted to be like a singer-songwriter, always wanted to be like an actor of some sort, or even a voice actor, wanted to do ear training, like develop an ear training curriculum. And the craziest thing about working here at Oclef is that I get to do all of that.